Hello friends, today I am going to show you nested if function in Excel. So what is nested if? As the name suggests, nested if is a if function within another if function. So let's give a try with an example. Here I have created a simple data. I have taken few students' name, their marks and the remarks column. Now in the remarks column, based on this criteria, it will reflect excellent, good, fair and satisfactory. So criteria is if greater than 80, then remarks will be excellent. If greater than 65, then good. If greater than 50, then fair. If less than equal to 50, then unsatisfactory. So how to do it? Let's try. We all know the normal if function syntax. If you don't know the usage of normal if function, you can refer to my previous video. So the normal if function here is if I will open the bracket. The syntax is logical test, value if true, value if false. As I said in my last or previous video, logical test is nothing but the criteria that we put, and if the criteria is true, that is if it matches with the logic, then it will show me a value, else it will show me a different value. That is, if the logic does not match, that is with the criteria, then it will give a different value. So here out of this we have four logics. So out of this four logic, first let us put the first logic, that is if the marks is greater than 80. So the marks column is J4. So if J4 greater than 80, then it will show excellent. Else what it will show? Now else it will show there are three criterias, that is good, fair, unsatisfactory. So how to reflect these three criterias? Here we have to put another if within this continuous if function. So in place of value if false, we need to put another if. So we will write if, again bracket open. Now out of these three leftover logics, we will put J4 greater than 65. It will show good, comma. Now again it's showing value if false. What will be the value if false now? Still two more criteria left. So we need to reflect those two criteria. So again we need to put another if within these two continuous if. So I'll put if bracket open. Now comes the third criteria, that is if J4 is greater than 50, it will show fair. Else value if false, that is else now only one criteria is left. For that we don't need to put any further if function. We can straight away now put, that is if these three criteria does not match, then it will show me the fourth criteria, that is if value is false, that is it will show me unsatisfactory. Else we will write unsatisfactory. Now we will close the brackets. Just look at the colors of the brackets. If it matches, then your formula is correct. We press enter. So excellent, against 90 marks, it's showing excellent. That's good. Now let us drag this formula to rest of the cells. And what it is reflecting? 62 is saying fair. Why? Because the criteria is greater than 65 is good and greater than 50 is fair. So 62 is falling between less than 65 and greater than 50. 62 is falling between these two, less than 65 and greater than 50. 32 is unsatisfactory because obviously if the marks is less than equal to 50, then it has to be unsatisfactory. Good is 78 Again 78, it's good. Why? Because greater than 80 is excellent and greater than 65 is good. So again it's falling between less than 70, less than 80 and greater than 65. So it's good. 57 fair, because anything greater than 50 and less than 65 is fair. So this is the usage of nested if. Hope this example is clear to you. Now you have got an idea how to use nested if. This is an advanced if formula. Let's try with another example. Here again I have taken the same example with which I have explained you the conditional formatting thing. Now I want to automate this effectivity with nested if function. So I have taken few countries' name, their average temperatures and the effectivity I have mentioned based on this criteria. That is, if the temperature is between 0 to 15, the effectivity zone is low. If it is 16 to 30, then medium, and 31 to 40, then high. So if I want to automate this with nested if, how to do it? So again I'll write if, I'll open bracket. Average temperature column is K. So if K2 less than 15, because anything 0 to 15 is low, less than equal to 15, then it will show low. Else what? For else, that is value if false, I have to show either medium or high. So for that I need to put another if function within this if function, right? So in place of value if false, I will write if bracket open K2 less than equal to 30, less than equal to 30, then it will show medium. Else what it will show? Now only one criteria is left, that is high, and we can straight away put that. Else it will show me high. Now let's see if the formula is working or not. Okay. First is high. 32 against 32 it's showing high. Okay, fine, because here I have mentioned 31 to 40 any temperature, then it is high. So let me drag to rest of the cells. 8 is low. Why? Because 0 to 15 is low. 11 also low. Perfect. 40 is high because 31 to 40 high. 30 medium. Why? Because 16 to 30 is medium. That's why. 10 low. 35 high. 30 again medium. Let's make it 31. So yes, it's changing to high. Let's make it 55. Again it's changing to high. Let's make 40 to 11. Yes, it's changing to low. So I hope guys this nested if function is clear to you. If you have any questions, if you don't like the video, please do write to me in the comment section so that in future I can improve the videos, you know. I'm trying with my best level to present you the like best way to teach you, best way to show you. So I'm trying that. If you don't like, please mention it, and if you do like, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, please. Thank you. See you in the next session.